Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DocuSign eSignature, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for DocuSign, which is www.docusign.com. Once the page loads, look for the login button on the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. A new page will appear asking for your password. Input your password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once your email and password are correctly entered, click on the Login button. If multi-factor authentication is enabled, check your email or phone for the verification code. Enter the code in the appropriate field and click Verify. After successful verification, you will be directed to your DocuSign. From here, you can start sending or managing documents as needed. If you encounter any issues during the login process, check your internet connection or try resetting your password. For further assistance, visit the DocuSign support page. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.